Welcome back, Unity Car. Have you ever felt that, even with everything in life, there's still something missing? A quiet space, a hidden desire. Something that noise can't fill, only peace can. Today, we're going to show you that peace. But not in words, it's riding on 3 wheels. And we call it the compact camper tricycle. This camper may look small, but it holds an entire world within. It's built for those tired of the daily grind, for those craving open skies over concrete ceilings, and for those ready to live differently. Simpler, freer, better. This isn't just a tricycle, it's an emotion. Every turn brings you closer to nature, and maybe even to yourself. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cozy folding bed, a soft sofa by day, a peaceful bed by night, a compact kitchen setup with a gas stove, a water sink, and clever storage spaces to tuck away everything you need. Solar panels on the roof harness the sun, powering your fan, lights, and charging ports, so you stay lit and comfortable, even off-grid. This camper is perfect for young adventurers, free-spirited couples, or anyone who wants a home not made of bricks, but of freedom. And the best part, it's affordable, truly affordable. No bank loans, no lifelong EMIs, just a small one-time cost, and a lifetime of unforgettable journeys. It's lightweight, easy to ride, and can take you through narrow bridges, remote trails, and mountain paths. Wherever you dare to dream, this camper follows. Now imagine a home that moves when you move, a life with no boundaries, no 9-to-5s, only sunrises, campfires, and stars. And that's what we at Unity Car bring to you. Not just vehicles, but dreams on wheels. If this camper speaks to your soul, then don't wait. Subscribe to the channel right now, like this video, and comment below. If you had this camper today, where would your first destination be? This is Unity Car, where every video is not just information, it's a key to a whole new world.